Hi, I'm Maggie, and I'm doing a workshop for Unity UK on the 17th of February this year on drinking the divine. Now, drinking the divine is basically about unraveling the blocks that we have inside that stop us receiving grace every day. Grace is the energy, the God force that comes to every single human being. You've got it because you're alive. Every creature, every being that's alive has got God force. However, we live in this modern world that's full of bad noise. Do this, do that thing. It just goes on and on and on. Our brains get so full of it that they actually stop being the open vessel for the divine. Now, the divine doesn't actually lodge in the brain, it lodges in the heart or in the soul. It depends on your terminology. And the brain will block that off for you. But it's very simple to learn techniques that will just open enough of a passage to allow the grace in to guide you and to help you with your life. And once you've learned to open those passages, you'll go on doing it because the beauty and the joy and the truth of drinking the divine is such a help in life. And it means that you can become a light. You can become the lighthouse that other people can be guided by. Now, remember the words of the wonderful writer Anne Lamott. Lighthouses do not run round islands looking for ships to save. And that's what we tend to do if we are spiritual folk or people who just want to live a good and productive life. No, you do not run round the island looking for the ships. You stand and you shine, and the ships that you can help will find you. So please join me on the 17th of February online. The place to go to find the workshop is unityuk.org. 17th of February. Everybody is welcome, and I'll look forward to seeing you there.